All right, thanks for tuning in to Leading Forecast, and hopefully everybody had a great Thanksgiving. And tell you what, new storm systems coming in, and we talked a little bit about this in the prior Leading Forecast, but getting a little closer. Let's go on over to the satellite, and you can see here's a system coming across the central United States here, and that's going to be affecting the weather across the central and eastern United States over the next several days, as we get a few pieces of energy coming through. Going on over to the water vapor imagery, and you can see here's all the moisture starting to come up through the plains, and that's really going to start to allow a lot of that to spread in. We're going to start to see some rain, as well as some snow start to fall here across portions of the Midwest up towards the east. Going on over to radar, there are some showers going on across the central and southern plains from Kansas all the way down through Texas, of course. That area really needing as much rain as they can possibly get at this point. And a lot of Texas is in a very, very, very bad drought, the highest level of drought you can get. So hopefully they'll get some rain out of this today, and probably won't really ease their drought situation, but it'll help a little bit. Anything would help a little bit at this point. Going on over current watches and warnings, not really much going on. We do have some high wind watches and warnings from Nebraska down through northern Kansas, even northeastern portions of Colorado. Other than that, we're pretty quiet across the United States as of right now. But that may change or will change over the next couple of days. As far as severe weather, nothing expected today. There is a sea text down here tomorrow, maybe some small hail and gusty winds down across, maybe over from Houston, say over to Mobile, Alabama. Could see some thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. Let's get on over to the forecast models because we do have quite a bit to talk about. This is by tomorrow. Low pressure system sitting up here. Here's your front kind of coming down right about right through here. And you can see showers and obviously some thunderstorms going down here, and some rain breaking out, some snow breaking out on the backside of this low pressure up here. And you can see from the kind of the peninsula of Minnesota all the way up towards Michigan, Wisconsin, potentially getting in on some snow up there. And then as we get into Sunday, this is where things become a little bit more complicated because we start to get kind of this. We get a 500 millibar low pressure system, and we get another one that ends up potentially developing down here. And you can see we're getting there's some snow on the backside of this system here as the rain and showers and thunderstorms move off to the east coast here. And then as we get into Tuesday, you get this big bowling ball effect out here. You can see the cold air sitting in here, and you're getting this area right down through here is getting snow. And the GFS putting a pretty good potential snow swath. Now, if it'll stick or not, that'll be the big key, depending on ground temperatures. But the best snow swath, according to the GFS, is probably going to be right down across this area here. So basically, southeastern Illinois, Indiana, western Ohio, northern Kentucky, Kentucky, as well as maybe even northern Tennessee, get some snow on Monday. Some of that could be relatively heavy at times, I think. And then as we get into Tuesday, look at this system up here just bomb out. This thing's huge. You get a front coming down through here, some lingering snow showers, some of these lake effect, as that the lake effect machine gets cranked up here, and you can see some lake effect showers up in northern Indiana and southern Michigan. Taking a look at the 500 millibar charts, it says we get in the Sunday, and look at this trough just digging in down here. Cold air starting to surge all the way south, and you can see this thing trying to kind of take a cutoff low kind of a shape here, and look at this big bowling ball coming through as we get into Monday. Your trough going negative tilt. This is allowing moisture to come in and really wrap around the low pressure system, and that's why we're seeing the snow back out into here on Monday. And then as we get into Tuesday, here's that 500 millibar low up here, kind of cascading up to the north and northeast. We still have the trough dug in, quite a large trough, and then more systems behind it. Taking a quick look here, this is the NAM. The NAM brings in a little bit, kind of the same thing, but a little bit different. Here's your low up here, your front coming down and through at this point. Again, showers and thunderstorms getting going along the front. Main thunderstorm should be down here, like I said, from Houston on over to Mobile. As we get into Sunday, again, here's kind of this low pressure system setting up there. you can see on the back side there's that snow coming across again. Now this puts the heavier snow down more towards Ohio, down towards very southern Indiana, down through Kentucky and Tennessee there. So instead of having the GFS swath that kind of brings it more down through this area, this brings it maybe more down through this area here. I don't, again, how much is going to stick, I don't know, but there could definitely be, I think Monday, late Sunday into through Monday, early Tuesday, there could be some heavy snow in places, at least falling. So we'll just have to wait and see. We're going to get closer. I'll probably do another one either tomorrow afternoon or Sunday as we get a little closer to this thing and see what happens. So that's all I have for now. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great weekend. Until next time, I'm Joseph Cooper. You can view this on SwiftChaseTeam.com or thedailyforecast.net.